I'm sure all of you have enjoyed her performance. She's a beginner actually. Not even 1 year she has completed after starting the dance class, and she has done her best according to me. I wish her every success and a bright future.
Excellent performance. ഇവളെ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഉമ്മ വയ്ക്കാൻ തോന്നിയോ? ഇപ്പൊ ചെയ്യട്ടെ എന്തായാലും വിശദമായി പിന്നെ മേക്കപ്പ് പോവും പാവം കുട്ടിയല്ലേ. Okay, so she's just a beginner. Okay, as I told you, this was a feeling of someone. He has written in words, somebody has made it in a voice, and she has performed it. And if ഈ പാട്ടില്ലെങ്കിലും ഈ കുട്ടിയുടെ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻസ് കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം വാട്ട് വാസ് ദ ഫീലിംഗ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺ ഹു ഹാസ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ദിസ് ഫീലിംഗ് അല്ലെ. സോ ഇവളിപ്പോ ബിഗിനർ ആണ്, എന്നാലും അവളെ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻസ് we really have to appreciate. And the best thing which I noticed is when I saw her dancing, she is not even knowing Malayalam. What is her age? 9. Yeah. So she doesn't know Malayalam. Her teacher doesn't know Malayalam. She only knows Tamil. Still, the way of expression did you ever notice that she doesn't know Malayalam? No. Even a person sitting here not knowing Malayalam will understand because of her expressions. Expressions is the power of her dance. She has got it, and she is a blessed dancer. She is a beginner, and that too in front of Dombivali Shasta. And the big thing is the lyrics writer. Okay, the feeling, who has got the feeling of this story, this sorrow, she is there. The person who has written is there. The person who has sung, he is there. And also she is there to represent it in front of you all. Okay, so there is a story behind her. She has not done Arangetam, first time dance she has not done till now. But she is the very, very, very luckiest girl in the world, I say. Why, you know? She got the chance to begin her dance in front of Pandalam. You know Pandalam Kottaram? Yeah, you know Pandaram Kottaram, right? So during season time only we can enter, we can have darshan, and we can come. That too we can just go, see, come back, right? We people last, I think in May we went to Pandalam. On the way to Pamba, we went to Pandalam, and just we thought of meeting the Tamburati, and she got a feeling. She was unknown to us, but she told us, okay, I will open the door for you. And as it was my big dream that I want to see this Pandala Kottaram, I was very happy. My people who were with me, they were very happy. She came, she opened as if she knows, she is knowing us. But she opened the door, she came with us, she told us to sit there. I was so lucky, I got the chance to sing there. Then the second chance, she got the chance to dance in front of that Velka. You have seen that Velka, and one Puja Muri is there in Pandalam. Straight in front of there, we were sitting for nearly about 1 hour. We were sitting. Tamburati, Mangala Tamburati, the present Tamburati, who is in charge of that Pandala Kottaram, she was sitting there. She was witnessing as a mother of Ayyappa. She was witnessing. Ayyappa was. We had a feeling. Ayyappa is watching. He only has given the chance to this girl to sing, to dance this. She had danced in which song I don't remember, but she had
started some steps.
Actually there was no song where to play music there. So she was dancing in her own world, and God was very happy. And today, because of that, I don't think so. If I get a chance, I won't choose this song because it's a sad song. What I will dance on this? But this girl showed the guts. The teacher of her, really, I should appreciate. We should appreciate her teacher, that she has choreographed it so well and she has presented it here. So I think a big lots of Claps to her. Okay. I think she was crying while dancing. That much she was into the character actually. So now the person who had this feeling surely will be feeling, वाह क्या यार क्या feeling लगा है अपन ने, क्या गाना भी गाया, डांस भी किया, और story बनना चाहिए ऐसा लगता होगा. And see, the person standing here, he writes so many songs, he writes so many lyrics, but never made it into use. He is the beginner, and she is the beginner. So again, big clap. So I think it's a time to felicitate this small girl, a blessed girl actually. So everyone, Sharanamuli, please.
I request her also to come here. Just
Lata auntie.
she has put lot of efforts to teach her. Actually, there is a teacher, but she explained this. First, she understood the meaning from me. She also doesn't know Malayalam much, but she first understood the meaning from me. Then she explained to her teacher. Then the teacher explained to her. It is something like that.
So we let us bless her so that she will continue this as a best. She could become a best dancer in future, and surely she will become, because she has all the blessings of Dombivali Shastra and Sabarimala Ayyappa Pandala Raja. Swami!
Hello. See, one more thing I want to share with you all. This is a small girl who has come here, Mount Marigapuram. She is below 10 years, but she has got chance to have darshan at Sabarimala more than 18 years.
18 times.
More than 80 times within 10 years. Just short span of within 10 years, she could go to Sabarimala more than 18 times. It's not a joke actually. Even we have not done like that. Even it's really without blessings of Ayyappa, this cannot happen. And I request Nidhi to come here. Swami!
So what to tell about this girl? She is such a blessed girl, more than us actually. I feel jealous about her. She has gone 18-19 times. I have not even seen Sabarimala. Just till Pamba God has given me entry. She has seen, within 9 years, she has seen 19 times. With what a blessing, yeah, what a blessing. Even you should be, the gents who are going regularly to Sabarimala, you should be jealous of her, because this is a rare chance. This is a rare chance. So like me, she has got recognition as a devotee, Ayyappa devotee, in front of so many people in such a small age. So I am thinking, when she will reach my age, what she will be. Now she is famous in Dombivali Shastra as a good devotee. Now after that, Sabarimala mein Nidhi Kutti, everyone will. And see, this is what I want to share is, many people, many girls, Maligapuram girls, so they feel, they get frightened, afraid of being a devotee of Ayyappa. Why? Because of the environment. People have made so many rules. Girls think, ayyo, Ayyappane pujicha, ayyo, dosham kittiyalo, ayyo, njan tettu cheyidalo. No. God is our Ishtadevam. My choice. It is a relation between a devotee and a God. Nobody else, third person, is involved or should interfere between God and a devotee. Why to frighten? Why?